video. This is gonna be a make it or break situation for the Bitcoin price. Is the Bitcoin price gonna go up or is the Bitcoin price gonna go down? So stay tuned. We'll also look at an interesting article by Chamet and what he has to say about the Bitcoin price. We'll also take a look at a tweet posted by Robert Kiyosaki and what he has to say about the global financial system. So stay tuned and let's roll the cameras. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Bitcoin. So currently now, this is a very interesting situation for the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price is currently forming a ascending triangle. And where will the Bitcoin price reach in the near future? So Bitcoin price has been ranging along this ascending triangle from the 13th of March to the current date today, and currently now the Bitcoin price is going to test the lower level of the trend line. So if Bitcoin doesn't hold support at the lower trend line, this means that the Bitcoin price could roll over and go down to the 4k levels or 5k levels once again. Or if Bitcoin finds support at those levels, Bitcoin could surge up to the upper trend line of the ascending triangle and also have the possible chance to break above. So now we can also take a look at the volume and see whether this move that's coming will be volatile or it won't be volatile. The volume also indicates the volatility, also indicates people surging into the market. And if there's a lot of market volume in the crypto space, you tend to see very huge price actions. When the Bitcoin crash happened a few weeks ago, there was a big spike in volume which caused the Bitcoin price to surge down to the 3k levels. So now currently, as you can see down there at the bottom, there's low levels of volume. Low levels of volume actually mean that there's few people trading in the Bitcoin space. There's less liquidity in the market. Most players actually now are speculating the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price is in limbo and the price is uncertain which side will it head. So now let's look at the other chart that I have for you guys. So this was the chart that I've been showing you guys for the past few weeks. Bitcoin has been forming these triangles, and every time Bitcoin forms these triangles, there tend to be an up support of a breakout happening. So currently the most recent triangle, there was a breakout, and now currently Bitcoin is falling down. Maybe this could be another formation of a descending triangle where the Bitcoin price could go down and have a surge above this trend line. This trend line has been a resistance for the Bitcoin price, and if we break above this trend line, we could see major price actions ahead in the near future. So now let's look at another chart. So basically in this chart, I'll showing the levels that Bitcoin usually makes U-turns and where Bitcoin usually surges above its local resistance and support levels. So currently now Bitcoin is testing the above resistance level at 7.4k, and Bitcoin found it hard to break above this level, and currently Bitcoin is crashing down. We might even see a Bitcoin price of 6,800K in the near future, and this level has to hold. If this level doesn't hold, we could see the Bitcoin price going back below to the 5k levels and 4k levels. So this is a very important support level for the Bitcoin price. We have to stay and hold support at these 6.8k levels. I might even see a Bitcoin price of 6.8k in the near future, because now we didn't break above this key resistance level here at 7.4k. But all in all, this Bitcoin price action is a great time to accumulate a lot of Bitcoin. That's why I wrote here, it's a reaccumulation. This is a perfect opportunity to reaccumulate Bitcoin, because we might never ever see a Bitcoin price less than 7k ever again. So this is a very good time to be dollar cost averaging in every week, accumulating Bitcoins. Because I personally believe this is the opportunity of a lifetime to accumulate Bitcoin. You might never ever see this opportunity happening ever again. So if you guys like this video, please go and subscribe, click the bell for notifications for every time I post videos. I will try and post videos every Wednesday and every week. I only make weekly videos because I personally think with every video I make, I actually cover everything I need to say and update you on the Bitcoin price and what's happening in this ecosystem of crypto. So now we can look at this article about a billionaire and his Bitcoin prediction. This article is posted by Forbes, and the article headline states, billionaire makes the case for a 1 million Bitcoin price. This billionaire is also known as Chamath. If you guys don't know him, he used to work with Facebook and was an early investor in the crypto space. He started buying Bitcoin around 2013. So basically, we're gonna read an extract on this billionaire crypto investor. So I'm gonna read from these blue lines. In the recent discussion with Morgan Creek Digital partner Anthony Pompliano, he shared his views on the current state of the global economy and the government's different options for getting things back on track. Additionally, he explained how Bitcoin could stand the gain from the major economic crisis of 2020s, although he thinks Bitcoin is still too volatile for mass adoption. He believes that the chances for Bitcoin to succeed as a global reserve currency have increased over the past few months. I personally agree. Bitcoin flaw is that it's very volatile, and it's gonna take time for the masses to adopt to this volatility. Maybe when Bitcoin reaches a huge market cap, maybe we could see a more stable Bitcoin price. Basically, Chamath is a very optimistic Bitcoin investor. He's been in the space at the early stages of Bitcoin, when Bitcoin wasn't around the mainstream, when everybody wasn't talking about the Bitcoin. It was where likes of Anthony Pompliano were still clueless about the technology, or still were researching about the technology, and where most people were speculating about this technology and this current monetary system that will benefit low-class individuals in hedging from the current monetary system, which is filled with scam artists, politicians. So this guy also owned 5% of the Bitcoin supply, and this was very huge back then, but it wasn't seen as much of a big thing back then as now. So now let's look at a tweet of Robert Kiyosaki. So this is a tweet of Robert Kiyosaki, and he's posting, and he tweeted, "Death of dollar. People desperate for money. Very sad. If government gives you free money, take it, yet spend it wisely. Do not save. Buy gold, silver, Bitcoin. Dollar is dying. Silver, $20. Best buy for future security. Everybody can afford $20, especially with free fake money." Basically, here he's telling the truth. We all know that fiat currency is actually real money. It's more of like a medium of exchange. It's only used to buy a certain item that has value, and it's not a good way to store your wealth. And currently now, due to this economic crisis, more and more people are surging their money into the dollar, and that's not a very good thing, as the dollar isn't backed by anything. And if you buy these assets suggested by Robert Kiyosaki, you'll be hedged from the current monetary system, and your wealth will be secured. So this is what I have to say for this week of Digital Digits. This was a quality video, and I hope that you were around at the end to watch this full video. And this is gonna be it for today and for this week, and I'm out.